So this was the rough sketch idea piece. Basically, I'm looking to do another the Pegman game piece, and so this was the cemetery one, and I'm looking to do one now with a little more of a steampunk. So I started that as the rough sketch, and then this is the one that I've come up with so far. It's 3 layers of 1/8 inch 3mm birch ply. As you can see, the gears themselves are fully functional. Solid side except for where it sticks out. But I'll next I'll paint this up with stain the wood and then paint the gears with a faux copper or brass finish and see how the finished item looks. Basically, I'll need to create 15 of these, 14 or 15 for each last man standing peg game. We'll see how it goes.